goodness, brother. Oh my goodness. The keys to my heart. That's clean. I hear the whistle. I hear the whistle. Nice. Behind him, we'll C8. With the yellow exhaust tips. That's kind of funky. There's all sorts of cool stuff rolling in. Oh, my heart. Back-to-back ZR1s. God damn, brother. Oh, it's so perfect. He's even got the like 18-inch signature wheel out back to fit a little Mickey Thompson back here. Oh, it's so perfect. Notice the trailer hitch between the exhaust pipes because he actually has a miniature identical copy to his car that he trailers around the car base. Look at a little yellow C7 chopping it up over here too. Another really clean new edge. That thing is really actually quite nice. Got a C3 with the side pipes. He actually has replica C6 Z06 wheels on this thing. The C6 wheels work well. They work well. I am Cars Across Texas. 5.0 GPA, man, he's so smart. What is up, guys? Cars Across Texas here today, and today you join me here at the Twin Peaks meet. They're back in business once again. I don't know why. They do it like 6 months on, 6 months off. I think it has something to do with like the correlation of like sporting events being broadcasted at the bar here, but I don't know. There's some really cool cars here, as always. Some of the fastest muscle cars and the most exclusive exotics always come out to this meet. So let's check out what we got here. Let me know what your favorite car is down in the comments below today. Leave me some likes, share with the boys, all that stuff. Also, remember, I'm sponsoring my own videos. I sell cars. If you want something, email me here. I'll link it below. And let me know what I can get you. The cars are what will support the next race car video. So, if you're in the market, don't support any other schmuck, come to me. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna get you right. And let's get on to the video. Beamer boys rolling in. We got the 2 Series. And then what sounded like a... Is this an E39 M5? It is an E39 M5. Nice. We love those. I see you, brother. We got a C7 Z06 over here with the beadlock out back. Of course, you do see the lack of the LT4 blower here. That's because he's gone for the BTR intake manifold when pairing it with a little Pro Charger setup here. I bet this thing cooks. I bet this thing makes some steam, brother. Get the old school Porsche here, pop-up headlights, true 80s styling. Look at the LMR C6 Z06 here, looking good as well. Look at Centennial Edition, it looks like, MSD intake manifold, all the goodies. Looking nice. We got a beautiful Chevelle SS here, a full paint job, just looking absolutely immaculate. It's got like a purple color with some like champagne sort of stripes. But take a look at this interior, man. This thing is beautiful. It's like very 70s, but like kind of modernized some. Like I like it. I like it a lot. We have the completely resto modded Plymouth here, pink on white with the white wheels, the white dinner plates on. But look at this interior. Oh my God. Totally redone in here. Pink everywhere. You love to see it. Another thing I love about the Houston Performance Drive meets up here is that there's always a plethora of Vipers. You saw the 2 rolling in earlier. There's 2 more Gen 4s over here with the blue on the white stripes and the snakeskin, like Copperhead Edition, whatever this one's called. I forget. But it's an ACR. It's in snakeskin green. You got the double black stripes. Just looking so perfect. That Z7 is chopping up a storm over there. But then over here, I see another regular up at this meet here, next to the Audio R8, looking nice as well. A little 5.0 and a Hoosier out back. Cool, 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 whatever. We do got the Ford GT here, red with the black stripes. One of my favorite specs I've ever seen. He's been in videos before, so no stranger to here. Out back, we got the Whipple Supercharger, good for 1,200 horsepower. And this thing is not a garage queen. It's driven on a regular basis. It's got some miles on it, which is always applaudable. We got the Trackhawk here next to The Audi RS3 over here. Got some other boys over here, a little Lexus LC500, M2, and S2000. Oh my goodness, a very clean Speedway white C5 Z06. Oh, see, those wheels are nice. A little fixed roof coupe action for the boys. But then over here we have a couple of Supras, which are also looking good. It's like Bayside Blue, it looks like, from a GTR, but on a Supra, looking really good. C6 Grand Sport, Cyber Gray looking good. I guess we do have the other Supra here, and then a Rapid Blue ZL11LE. That CTSV sounding good though. Hello. So this GTR here has Boost Logic test and development turbos on it. Not released yet, but should make quite a bit of power. It's like a Boost Logic development car, which is pretty sick. Look at those wheels. Nice. We also have a very nice Supra here, GTR with carbon fiber everywhere. Another GTR here. I like the line just continues. They do see me a Viper. We'll have to go check that out in just a second. We'll get a very nice Fox body over here next to an SN95 Cobra. But under the hood of this Cobra, got something a little unorthodox. I guess not too unorthodox now. Got an LSA blower. Just an LSA swap in general. Nice. No interior. Totally gutted. A little bit of a roll cage. Corbo seats. This thing's a little rowdy. The registration's from 2005. We do have a very clean Gen 4 Viper here. Silver with the black stripes looking good. Then we got the R35 here on the Rohanas with the molded wide body kit. You love that. That's really clean, actually. I like that look a whole lot. Next to him, a little forest green, old school vet. And then round off this little bunch, we got a GT4. And Jake and Nikki in their RX-7 that they have just got. I think they just imported this one from Japan. I'm not 100% sure. We'll get the Army Green RS3 here as well, which looks really nice. Full roll cage in the old school Mustang here, looking good next to the Kennebell supercharged S197 GT500, looking good. Irvy over here. Got the bell mouth out the front, looking crazy. Beadlocks in the back. Irvy's car's no joke. I think it's stupid fast. Next to him, we got the purple C6Z as well. The prototype turbo GTR is rolling out. We're rolling somewhere. Look at that plate. That's funny. Oh, I see something I like over here, buddy. Got a little Maggie 2650 under the hood of the Z06. Very nice, my friend. Then the Camaro boys are down here. We do gotta check out a friend of the channel here, Mr. Lucky, for real, in his C8. The 70th anniversary in Accelerate Yellow. White stripes, white wheels, looking crazy. I do like this. And then tucked away back here in the corner, we got Mr. Sinclair Photos here in the wide body Supra Dupra. Looking good with his new lip. We got the Velara Vet twin turbo LS powered C6 crazy body kit thing here in his new wrap. I don't know what the wrap's supposed to be. It's like red forged carbon, I suppose. And it does look mighty crazy. We got the very nice Voodoo Blue Turbo S here up front leading the pack. But as I said, there is no shortage of Vipers here at the Twin Peaks meet. We do have the Snakeskin Green Gen 5, of course, with the TA 1.0 wing. This is absolutely crucial for any of you Gen 5 owners, in my humble opinion. Behind him, we have the blue Gen 4 Viper as well. And then we got the black Gen 5 with the gunmetal stripes down with some more interesting wheels. And of course, the TA 1.0 wing. You gotta get it, my friend. Hopping in the back of the Continental, we got the puppy. Hello, my friend. Oh my goodness. Dog's living the life. We got the ruby red GT350R here looking mighty fine, mighty nice. Next to him, a newcomer to the bunch. We got a C8 Z06 with the white exterior, the ceramic matrix gray, the big carbon fiber wing, which I don't think I've actually seen on one in person yet, which is a nice touch. It's definitely a must on these cars. He's also got the ceramic matrix interior as well. Carbon fiber everywhere. I really want to hear this thing get on it. All right, boys. It is time to get the boys rolling out. Hopefully we get a better show of Sins today. It's a good spot for Sins, but for some reason it's always like a ton of traffic on the feeder road, so I don't really understand. Thing is adorable with its little mouth. Damn, son. There's the thumbnail. And the old school Ferrari pulling in. Skyline rolling out. The nice 392 Challenger here, but this guy's been making a little bit of noise here in the twin turbo Mustang. My friend, I gotta ask, how much power are you making?
Oh, man, it depends what setting, about 1,000 or so, give or take.
There we go. Nice, nice. There we go.
You're fucked. You should have gone first.
Alrighty guys, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. It is about time for us to go because I am getting super sunburnt. Beautiful day, but the sun has just been beating down on me. Baby's getting a little tired, as you can hear in the background, so it's time for us to get on and finish up the rest of our day because we still got some stuff to do. Hopefully you boys enjoyed. Remember, hit me up if you're looking for a car. Don't support any other schmuck. Come to me because I'm going to take care of you. I'm going to be honest, truthful, get you the best deal up front. And remember, like, comment, subscribe, share with the boys, and I'll catch you next one, guys. Peace.